Hey, do you want to learn how to create short video overviews in Gemini Notebook LM? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. So first you need to go over to notebook.google.com, and I think that you need to upgrade your plan from free to at least the plus plan, and then you'll be able to get access to the short overviews. So first you need to go over here and click on this create new. It's going to create your notebook here, create audio and video overviews from. You need to type in something, search the web for news sources. You can also click on this X button, and then on the left hand side, you can press on add sources, and it's going to show you the same pop-up. Inside it, I'm going to type in history of T-Rex like this, and then press on this send button. And what it's going to do is research websites and give you sources, whatever it finds. Like this, on the left hand side, it has done this research, and it has found 7 sources. Let's press on this import button, and it's going to import all of these sources here, whether it be from a YouTube channel or blogs. Once done, you can select these sources here, deselect the sources, or select the sources by clicking on this check mark box, or you can select all or deselect all like this. So once you've selected the number of resources that you want to include, then on the right hand side, complete right, you're going to find Studio. Under it, you'll see Video Overview. Click on that. Then the format, you need to switch it over to Shorts. Short, this is new, bite-sized overview from your sources. Then you need to scroll down, and you're going to find the sources again. You can click on it and deselect the ones that you do not want to include. Then scroll down even further, and you'll find an option to put in your topic prompt that you can put here, or you can use one of these AI suggestions. For me, I'm going to do this T-Rex discovery. Let's select this, and let's press on this generate button. It's going to take some time, so press on the turn on notifications and allow. And if you scroll down here on the right hand side, you'll see generating short video overview. It will take some time in order to do this. All right, our short overview video is ready. We can see this on the bottom right corner, the T-Rex's hidden rival. It has these 10 sources, and it's a 1 minute 12-second short. You can click on this play button in order to play it.
For decades, scientists thought these
and you can take a look at it. Looks really nice. We can also go back here and click on these 3 dots, and then you can delete it, download it to your computer, rename it, and such. You can also share it from here. So let's say I have downloaded it right here. It's a .mp4 file that it will download to your computer. Let's open it up, and let's check out the video.
For decades, scientists thought these smaller, lanky dinosaur bones belonged to awkward teenage T-Rexes. That all changed when a remarkably complete small tyrannosaur fossil was found locked in ancient combat. When anatomists looked closer, the physical traits just didn't add up for a growing baby. It lived in a crowded, competitive world and had to constantly contend with a swifter, leaner cousin darting through its territory.
Okay, it's such a good video. What you could actually do is have an educational channel, a shorts educational channel, and then you can just take this video out, put it there. It's a really nice edited video with all the graphics showing up and everything. It can be used for that reason as well. So yeah, that's it. That's how to create short overviews with Google Gemini Notebook LM. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Google Gemini Notebook LM related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.